Hey, what's up? I'm going to show you a quick little landmine hack. The anchor of the landmine is nothing that special, so I would just want to show you how to do landmine exercises with a barbell and not have that special landmine anchor attachment. So here you go, and all I'm really doing, you just find a corner. That's all you really need. And let me just flip. I got our dusty little. Hold on, CD. Dusty little gym, and I'm just anchoring in the corner of a sled and some dumbbells. If it's a finished part of a room in a basement, you may want to find some padding or something else to kind of block that corner so you don't damage the wall. But that's all it really is. I'm gonna hand it over to my sweet 6-year-old camera lady, and so here we go. You've got the anchor. You're anchored into a wall. It's not going to go anywhere. You've got your presses, your landmine, lunge to press. You can flip into your landmine row. You've got your up and over. Okay, so really all the same stuff you can do with a regular landmine attachment anchor piece in just the corner of a secured corner of a wall. So that's all for now. Hope that works well for you. We'll talk to you soon.